How to sell on Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to utilize an external platform such as Bybit over here to be able to convert our Sol into fiat or money. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Bybit over here, click on asset and click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto and select the specific crypto that you have on your Phantom Wallet. Copy the wallet address over here and click on receive on our section over here, or send, by the way, send in our Phantom Wallet and enter the copied address and just simply enter how much you want to send. After that, assuming you have sent the Sol onto our Bybit, over here in Bybit we should be able to view it inside of our assets over here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on convert. You're going to select the cryptocurrency that you received. So for us, let's say Sol. There we go. And over here, you're just simply going to select fiat. There should be options that would appear over here under fiat over here. And it should be any money that you could convert your Sol to. So for example, euro over here, you could convert your crypto into money and you should be able to withdraw it as well. So that's how you will be able to sell it. Or you could also sell it directly inside of our Bybit over here if you prefer. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.